They're supposed to be nasty this weekend, so doing something a little different. Coming out on a Friday night. I don't think I've done this before. We'll see how it works. Supposed to be 20 to 25 mile an hour winds right now, so you might not be able to hear me too much. Man, I can't see the weeds with all the ripples on the top of the water. Come on, monster pike. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I think that's a nice pike. Whoa, I think that's a really nice pike. There he is. Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy, stay on the line. There, I can see him. Oh, that is a nice pike. Wow. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yes! That is a nice pike. Let's see if we can get out of the wind here a little bit. I don't know where that would be, but man, I think we're gonna go over there. All right, dude. Man, that's a nice pike. That is a really, really nice pike. Yeah. Let's just get out of the wind here before we deal with you. There we go. That's better. All right. Let's see what we got going on here, buddy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh, ooh. Alright. Well, that was interesting. Holy crap, dude. This is, oh my lord. This is like a 32. Maybe a 34. Oh my god. Hang on, buddy. Let's see how long you are. Just don't freak out on me, okay? I gotta measure you. From there to there. 31 and a half. Yeah. Oh man, yeah. Yes. Nice 31 and a half inch pike. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Check that guy out, man. That is sweet. Nice 31 and a half inch pike. That's the way to start the day. All right, buddy. Let's get you back in the water. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. There he goes. All right. Wow. That was beautiful. Oh, yeah. Yes. That makes up for last weekend. Yes. Oh, and he didn't even destroy the lure. I love it. I love it. Ooh, yes. Come here, buddy. Come here. Man. I can't get a good grip on you. There we go. There we go. Come here. Come here. Oh, man, that was bizarre. Oh, come here. Huh? Oh, where are you? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, my God. Oh. That's not right, man. That's just not right. I mean, I had him dead to rights. That is just not right. I yanked on him hard. By all rights, I should have had that fish. Should have had that fish. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh man, you guys, you just go down in the weeds so fast. Come on up, buddy. Come on up. This way. Where are you? Where are you? Wow. What are you doing, buddy? I can still feel you on there, I think. Oh man, there's just a gazillion weeds coming up here. There's the leader. Man, there's the leader. Oh, come here. Come here, let me get the leader. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. That was cool. Alright, yay! Pike number 2. It's another decent one. Get this out of the way. Somebody remind me to take that thing back out when I'm done here. Yes. Hey, another pike. Another decent one. I mean, he's decent. But man, I love that fight, buddy. That was cool. That was awesome. Thank you. Alright, go back to the weeds. Oh, jeez, oh, man. You guys do that so many times. Oh, my God. Ah. I don't get it. Like, why do you wait till the last minute? Ah, these pike. Well, only 2 pike caught on this relatively short trip, but they were both a blast to catch. Clouds are rolling in, and I think we're gonna call it a day. It's definitely getting colder out, so definitely went better than last weekend. Well, the weather conditions have definitely changed. It was 80 degrees 5 days ago. It was 65 degrees 3 days ago. 50 degrees 2 days ago, and it's 48 today, so got the monkey suit back on just in case. Got 20 to 25 mile an hour winds predicted, so we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. After an hour of fishing without a bite, I went into a small cove to take a break from the wind, and I didn't realize how challenging it would be to get back to where I started. Alright, let's get you down, man. Powered up. Whew. Yeah, this could be fun. There were 2 swans sitting in the main channel, so I had to take a different path in order to avoid them. I think I'm going back deeper into no man's land around here. I am. This end of the mill pond is pretty narrow and extremely weedy, and the trolling motor kept getting clogged up with weeds. I figured if I could find deep enough water, then I could use the trolling motor while paddling to help get back out into the main section of the mill pond. Come on, man, get me into some water. I don't think this is it. Up until now, I was relatively protected from the highest winds, but that was about to change. The wind was hitting speeds of 30 miles an hour or more, so I headed into a small patch of what looked like calm water. I'm going to beach up here for a second. Wow. I should have known that was a mistake. There we go. There we go. At this point, I was hoping the water would be high enough above the weeds that I could use the trolling motor again. Come on. Just get me into some going, baby. Yeah, I think you're gonna make it. Wow. Whoa! I almost didn't make it out of that lagoon, man, or that area back in there. I don't know what I'm doing out here. This is nuts. Yeah, this is kind of nuts. I gotta have a screw loose to be out here fishing in this. I've got to have a screw loose. I'm not leaving until I catch a fish. God, is that a fish? Oh my, thank you. Man. Yeah. Wow. Oh, dude, chill. I mean, it's a small bass, but come here, buddy. Hey, it's a real small bass, but hey, we got something, man. Yes. All right. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I'm taking my one fish, calling it a win, going home. Man, tough fishing today. Mother Nature was